Welcome back to the Mexican food channel. Today we're making this special ceviche. We're using carne de soya. Let's get started. These are some of the ingredients, but I'll call them out as we go. First, we're gonna need 1/4 of an onion. Let's cut it like this. Ooh-wee, this one's a little tough. Remember, we only need 1/4 of this. We're also gonna need 2 garlic cloves. Do it like this, it makes it easier to peel. We're gonna put 6 cups of water to boil, and then we're gonna add these in there. So add the onion and the garlic, add a little salt, give it a little mix. While you're letting that boil, we're gonna cut up our vegetables. We're gonna need a cup of lime juice, so get yourself a couple of limes. You can squeeze them by hand, or you can use one of these. It makes it a little bit easier. Remember, we need 1 cup. Now that the water is boiling, we're gonna go ahead and add our carne de soya. You might be tempted to wash it beforehand, but don't. You'll make it too soggy. We'll wash it after it's cooked. This cooks in 10 minutes, and this is how it should look when it's done. It's gonna be nice and soft. We're gonna go wash it, but I didn't want to burn my hands, so I let it cool down. Alright, let's go drain it. And we're gonna give it a quick wash like this. We're gonna drain the water off of these. Since we're gonna soak it in the lime juice, we don't want an excess of water here. So try to squeeze all that water out. Before we add the lime juice, we're gonna add a little bit of water, just so our soya won't be too acidic. Now add it to your soya. And give it a mix. Next, we're gonna dice up a tomato. I think those tomatoes are supposed to be upside down when I cut them, but it still does the job. Add the tomato to the ceviche. Let's give it a little mix. We're gonna add some red onion. This is a pretty big onion, so I'm just gonna do this much. Add it to the soya. And mix. Up next, cut up the serrano to very small pieces, just so you won't get big chunks when you add it to the tostada. go ahead and add them in. And last, one of my favorites, cilantro. Dice it up. And add it in there. This is pretty much ready, and now to serve it with our tostadas. I like adding mayo to mine, so that's gonna be the base of my tostada. Give it a couple scoops of this ceviche carne de soya. I can eat mine with any aguacate.
Without.
I can eat mine with any aguacate.
Without.
I can eat mine without any aguacate. So let's cut one up. Add some crema to that, and now it's time for the taste test. Oh yeah, eat this with your favorite hot sauce. Look at those beauties. They're delicious. Well, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you next week. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya.